Hello viewers, Assalamualaikum. How are you all today? I hope you are all okay. Today I'm making sticky Chinese drumstick. It's very simple, easy, but it's yummy. So let me show you ingredient and let's get started. So here I bought about 12 drumstick here. I washed it, cleaned it. All here is onion, salt, corn flour, vinegar, soya sauce, dark one, honey, ginger, garlic, black pepper, and rice flour, water, and then we got some oil to fry my drumstick. So first we are making our gravy, and then while my gravy is cooking, I'll make my chicken brown. I need to fry it. So let's get procedure first to make our sauce. Yeah, so I'm going to put soy sauce first, dark one, yeah, about a quarter cup. It's very yummy, sticky and yummy. So I've got here sauce, soya sauce. I've got vinegar. You can use the brown color vinegar as well. Rice vinegar. I haven't got rice vinegar. Yeah, so I'm going to put here onions. One onion inside. My ginger, garlic. Little bit of black pepper, salt, little bit, because soy sauce is salted as well. I'm going to pour honey here, quarter cup. Actually, I have only quarter cup as well. Yeah, honey. Yeah, and I need a cup of water. Yeah, cup of water. Yeah. Now what I'm going to do, I'll put in a bottle of honey, and I need to wash the bottle of honey. So all honey goes in. That's it. Now I'm going to turn on and my sauce will start to cook. So now we are going to marinate the chicken with the corn flour and the rice flour. So I've got here about a quarter cup of rice flour, and I need about 3 to 4 tablespoons of corn flour. So rice flour and corn flour. I'll put all amount in description below anyway. Here. So I put about 4 tablespoons of corn flour. And here bit of black pepper and salt to taste. Yeah. So yeah. Now I'm going to mix it all. While I'm going to turn on my oil. Okay. It's a shallow fry, not deep fry. So now here I've got here my marination ready. I'm going to just put like this and get it ready. Yeah. While my sauce is getting ready as well, I will cook all my chicken till golden brown only. Then we are going to cook with the sauce. It's simple recipe, but it's very yummy and it's easy to make for like people like me, lazy cook. I don't like so much to cook, but when I have to make nice food, yummy, lovely, and easy. So here my oil is going to get ready while I'm marinated. Yeah. So here look, I'm going to shallow fry my chicken. Yeah. So one side about 3-4 minutes and other side 3-4 minutes. Yeah. And my sauce is getting ready. So my sauce is cooking, and one part of chicken is ready, so I'm going to turn it. That's it. Look, the sauce is like, I am cooking sauce halfway, around cook 10 minutes. So what is going to happen? I'm going to put this chicken in here. Yeah. Here. So it's like, I have fried, just coated with the rice flour and corn flour. So I'm going to put in here in my wok, in my dish where I'm going to cook. Yeah. Here. I need to fry 2 more, but I'll add in it by the time. Yes. Yeah. So now I'm going to turn off this sauce. Yeah, and add all sauce in my chicken which I have fried. Yeah. So it's going to cook further like 15 minutes like this, and it will be sticky while it's going to cook, and chicken is going to cook as well, and the sauce all is going to cook more for further 15 to 20 minutes. So now I'm going to turn on my flame here and put the lid. So I'll keep stirring in between, and I'm going to show you. Look, it has been 10 minutes, so both sauce and chicken are cooking in the sauce. Look, it's halfway already, so I think more 5-7 minutes, food is ready. So here my chicken is ready. Simple, easy step to cook, and it's very yummy. Viewers, I have add salt and again because I tried little bit, so it was little bit less, so I add little bit salt. Look, so I'm going to turn off and bring my plating here. I'm going to garnish little bit with spring onion because it's a Chinese sticky chicken. I have done my chicken. Is simple, easy, and we have got all material ingredient at home. So please make it, try it how it's very yummy. And you can eat with your bread, you even can eat with rice, Chinese rice. And please don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Like and share. And please don't forget to press the bell icon so you can get notification every time when I post my videos. So till then, stay safe. Okay, then goodbye.